When should I start preparing for USMLE step one?
So there is no specific time frame from when you can start. Like I said, I started from late internship, and there are people who have started from first year, second year of medical college. All it matters is, are you like, do you want to, like, first of all, it's important to decide why do you want US, and like stick to it. Like, why do you want to do USMLE? And it's always preferred to take some time over it. Like, it's like just looking at artificially the lifestyle and all those things, jumping into the conclusion is not recommended. So, like, don't act prematurely, but take your time, sit, think, discuss with your parents or friends the pros and cons, what do you need in life, and whether it's possible or not, and plan ahead and make a decision. Like, it doesn't matter which part of medical school, that medical college, that you make this decision, but when you make a decision, make sure that you stick to it and there is no turning back, so that, like, you will have to be focused, right? So yeah, it actually, phase doesn't matter unless and until, like, if you're ready and you're okay with it, go for it at any time, doesn't matter. Postgraduate, like doing your medical school, doesn't matter.
Okay.